Good morning. This is Bill for Auto House of Naples on, another muggy, crappy, horrible Florida morning. It's just a misty, awful day, and it's not going to get any better. And it's definitely got months before things really improve. But at least we're in August now, and things are progressing. September's around the corner, and that's the month that sort of starts to give you hope that season is arriving. So we have that going for us. Today, and on a very quick take for my friends at Auto House, is this it's a 1968 titled, but it's a 1969 Meyers Manx kit that is just absolutely incredible. And I have to very much thank those guys for letting me use this thing to do a video. And this is just a quick take for their site, their YouTube channel, so you can have a look and see what's going on with it. It's absolutely stunning. Just a beautiful car. The history of the Meyers Manx is one of the more interesting stories in automotive history, and for good reason. I mean, the guy who built them, the guy who put them together, was an absolute genius. And I'm going to do a video over on the Curious Cars site that gets into that in depth. But the fact that this is a true Manx, one of the, there's about 350,000 dune buggies built. Only 6,000 of them or less are true Meyers Manx buggies, which, were essentially the originator. And the guy was just an amazing cat who put together something that changed the world, even if he really didn't get the credit for it that he deserved. This one, again, is on a 1968 Beetle chassis, built in 69 with the 69 kit. It's finished in the original brilliant red. It's been fully restored. It's gorgeous. You see it's running on Krager SS wheels, which look very, very cool with the white letter tires. It has side pods. That's why it looks so complete. That's the, the pieces that sort of continue where the door would be on most cars. On many of these Manxes, you won't see that. You'll just see some flat black, unfinished fiberglass. On this one, it has the finishing pods. In the back, it's got a 1600cc freshly rebuilt engine from, I believe, a Mexican Volkswagen, made well after they stopped making them here. Very reliable, very, turnkey. You breathe on the key and the thing comes to life. Shifts nice, runs nice, drives nice. And again, the fit and finish of this thing, the quality is just terrific. Really, really looks great all around. The guy definitely spent some time and money on it. And, what a great appreciating collectible that's something you can own, drive, run around. It's only going to go up in value. They're rare. They're becoming more understood as time goes on. And it's just an absolute blast. You see the big pop-up headlights, immediately pop-up, not really pop-up, stock headlights. It immediately takes you back to the 60s, the 70s, speed buggy, if you remember that. Got a couple of nice chrome mirrors on there. Inside, all has been redone. Fairly modern racing seats in there that are nice and comfortable and supportive. Kind of a cool artistic flair on the dash panel with the original VW gauges and then a couple extras. It's just a terrific and fun way to... I'd say you're just an accountant at work and, you wear a tie, you go in, everything's the same. Everything's kind of tedious. What a way to come out, hop in something absolutely insane, and have the time of your life. So, look, if you have an interest in this thing, and what I'll do is I'll inject some of the driving video I did for the Curious Cars stuff after it. But if you have an interest in this thing, and you should, because it's incredible, give the guys at Auto House a call. They'll really appreciate it, and so will you. The 239-263-8500 on the web at autohousenaples.com. What a terrific piece and a lot of fun. And honestly, if you put it in your garage, you're never going to be sorry you did. So without further ado, I'll run on to injecting the driving part. But otherwise, there it is. 68 Meyers Manx, true original, authenticated, everything as it should be, and beautifully put together. Thank you very much for having a look, and we will see you with the next one. Take care. we are going for a spin, and you get the feeling right away that the world is made up of people who are either in dune buggies or not in dune buggies. And we are in a dune buggy. It goes down the road very, very well. A lot of fun to drive. Everybody sort of looks over at you, gives you the thumbs up. You know, even though I'm not a guy who likes attention, this car is so much fun to drive, I don't care. It's just an absolute treat to push it through the gears, turn around the corners, you know, the steering response, the braking response, the throttle, the sound of the air-cooled engine. It's just a treat to drive. And you can just tell this thing would be a lot of fun. I mean, if you want something to tool around in that's got some collectible credibility, but it's easy to maintain, easy to keep running, anyone can work on it, parts are a snap, you know, do what you want. You really can't do any better than a Meyers Manx. What a terrific and fun car to drive and collect. So, again, if you have an interest, give the guys at Auto House a call, 239-263-8500, or on the web at autohousenaples.com. And thanks very much to those guys for making this one available to me. Take care, and we'll see you with another one soon.